Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we are going to make a super easy, super delicious, super fun Tex Mex Egg Roll recipe, vegan style. So this is perfect for like New Year's Eve is around the corner, you know, you're having them parties, or like the Super Bowl is around the corner, like football, like go Ravens. I'm sorry, we're in the playoffs and we're probably going to the Super Bowl. So comment below if you hate the Ravens, because fuck you. I'm just kidding. So I did want to say I do have a Patreon, which I will have another even easier like New Year's football kind of appetizer recipe on my Patreon. So you're going to want to check that out. Oh my God, that's linked below. Also PayPal link below. Like, you know, like every dollar counts. Like, I love you guys all so much. And thank you guys for who resubscribed. So if you have subscribed to my channel before, please make sure you check if you're still subscribed, because YouTube out here, right up the ass to me, and unsubscribed like over 300 people to me. And if some of you follow me on social media, you would see that a lot of you weren't subscribed anymore. So make sure you subscribe because you might not be subscribed because YouTube love you, YouTube. Okay, bye. Let's get started. Of course, we need a dipping sauce for our egg rolls. So I'm going to show you how to make my super quick, super easy, super delicious guacamole. My favorite way to eat guacamole. So I have 3 avocados and I just smushed them in there, and then I'm going to use a fork to break it down. Especially because I'm doing more of like a dipping sauce, I'm going to add the juice of a whole lime. Oh yeah, baby. And then a little sea salt. Oh yeah, a little black pepper. And what I like to do is I like to mix it up, and I just do it to taste. Like, if you need more salt or more black pepper, like, just add more, you know what I'm saying? And voila, guacamole. Like, this is the best, I'm telling you. Yeah, that's good. Put it in the fridge till you're ready to use it. I'm gonna do a quick saute of a whole red onion and 1 green pepper. For the filling mixture of our Tex Mex egg rolls, we are going to start off with some vegan cream cheese. You all know me, I love Wayfair, but I swear to God, I cannot find it close to me. So we're gonna do with Go Veggie. You can also do like any sort of vegan shredded cheese, like do whatever you want. And then we're going to add our homemade taco seasoning, which if you had seen my vegan potato queso taco recipe and my Southwest pasta recipe, we have made this before. You can just use a packet of taco seasoning, totally fine. But if you're making it on your own, it's simply 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon each of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper, chili flakes, and then 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Woo! Okay. So then we're going to also add a can of Rotel with green chilies that has been drained. We're also going to add a can of Mexicorn and a can of black beans. The Mexicorn we just drained, the black beans we drained and rinsed, very importante. And then we're going to add our quick saute of onions and green pepper. Fun fact, Nasoya, I think that's how you say it, it has a new and improved egg roll wrap, and it's vegan. It even has like the fun little like, vegan. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I just found them at my local grocery store. Super awesome. So we're going to take a scoop of our, you know, our little mixture here. Oh my God, I'm going to try and fully load them. And I'm probably going to put too much in by accident at first. But I like a fully loaded bitch, you know what I'm saying? And I have a little thing of water just like with a lot of our wontons and vegan crab rangoon and everything. We're going to go around the edges here with the water because this is going to help it stick to itself so that when we fry it, nothing comes out of there. It's kind of like a burrito, and we're going to like kind of go on top, and then we're going to start folding in the sides here like so, and hope for the best. And like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh, we got a little egg roll. Look at her. Oh, she's beautiful. So you want to just keep on keeping on until you run out of one or the other. I'm going to kind of do like a shallow fry, but not super shallow. Like, you still want it high enough that you're going to get the ends. And of course, we're going to do them in batches. So probably about 3 at a time. Obviously, turn them when they get golden brown, and then you're gonna put them onto paper towels so you can drain some of that grease off. You just keep on keeping on, my bitch. You guys, oh, you see, oh my God. Okay, so before I eat this, I also did want to say that, like, because, like, obviously you have to try the filling before you, like, make it. And also the filling would be great if you don't want to go through, like, the whole fry and, like, this, that, and the other. You can use the filling as, like, a dip with, like, some Tostitos or Totinos or corn chips. So I'm going to try one without the guac first. That crunch. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay. Okay. Bottoms up. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Oh my God. I want to wrap this up so I can eat the rest of this. Holy shit. Oh my God. They are perfect on their own, but I gotta tell you, the extra addition of that, like, limey guac, like, Mexican Asian fusion, like, ho, okay, make this. A full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you do all of the things. And I love you guys so much. And if I don't see you before the New Year's, happy 2020. Happy New Year's. And I love you. Bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.